Hello and welcome to another edition of the Reserve Report, your source for what's going on locally and around the Reserve. I'm your host, Corporal Melissa Martins. MARADMIN 447/16 announces the first annual Marine Corps Mobile Application Challenge. Marines are encouraged to submit applications in the categories of physical fitness, quality of life, and warfighting. For more information on submission guidelines and eligibility requirements, check out the MARADMIN. Last month, Reserve Marines and sailors from 4th Medical Battalion took part in Exercise Global Medic, where they conducted simulated training that consisted of casualty evacuations, Humvee convoys, and foot patrols. The training was designed to give participants hands-on experience to further develop their skills and become more proficient in their MOS. And finally, this past August, the greater Baton Rouge area experienced a flood that devastated more than 40,000 residents. With over 100,000 homes and businesses destroyed, reconnaissance Marines worked with the Recon and Sniper Foundation to aid those in need. Lance Corporal Dallas Johnson brings us more on the story.
The brotherhood that we've seen with Marines coming together has been absolutely amazing. And as tragic as something like this is, it really is a great thing to see. Number one, the resiliency of the Marines, but also the way that we've gone far and above the call of duty to take care of one another, with gentlemen coming in from far and wide, and very selflessly giving of themselves and giving of their own time to help out their brothers in need. So, as tragic as this has been, there have been a lot of good news stories to come out of it. And frankly, the last 2 weeks are one of the times that probably has made me proudest to be a Marine in my career. So the boys from the Marine Reconnaissance Foundation went out and found some money to buy you one.
Take care of our own, brother. Let's go check this baby out. Oh my God.
Gas can back there.
Yeah, he lost all his gas cans.
There you go, you got no gas can now.
That does it for this edition of the Reserve Report. As always, for more news, photos, and videos, check out our website at www.mar4res.marines.mil. I'm Corporal Melissa Martins. Thanks for watching.